When Amol loves, he loves hard. There's nothing that he wouldn't do for those closest to him. And speaking from experience, he's one of the people that I can rely on most and has been for years. Shruti, I don't think there's any arguing that you just look absolutely stunning tonight. You own this evening. To the two things that make a great marriage, having a great sense of humor, and more importantly, selective hearing. To Amol and Shruti.
I'm so happy that you let me share this moment with you. I'm so happy that you found the woman of your dreams. From the moment you entered Amol's life, honestly, Amol never looked so happy before. You bring out each other's best qualities. On behalf of all the groomsmen and myself, I wanted to tell you how happy that you both found each other. We can't wait to see you both start this journey in life, and congratulations to you both.
How important it is to have people who will listen to you. I could not have handpicked a better person for her.
I am so lucky to have you as an amazing friend to share so many memories with. Seeing today how happy she was, I have never seen her that happy, and it made me so happy. I wish you both nothing but love, happiness, and amazing memories together.
I honestly couldn't ask for a better person to take my sister's hand in marriage. So thank you guys. Thank you, Amol, for being the guy you are. Thank you for Amol's family for raising such an amazing person.
I know it's customary at this time to welcome my new daughter-in-law into our family, but Shruti has been a member with a good standing for a while now. And today it makes it official.
Amol, you're my best friend, and you're my role model, and I always look up to you. I'm so happy to see you guys become married, and I can't wait to see what you guys do in the future.